Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how tablets and capsules are made, step by step. Be sure to
Every tablet begins here, where raw ingredients are grown and carefully selected.
Each plant is inspected to ensure only the highest quality enters production.
Harvesting is done with precision to preserve the integrity of every ingredient.
Collected materials are organized and prepared for immediate transfer. From field to transport, timing is critical to maintain freshness. Careful loading ensures safe and stable delivery to the facility. The journey begins, carrying raw materials toward transformation. Ahead lies the facility, where science turns raw materials into precision. Arrival marks the next step, where raw inputs meet controlled precision. Every shipment is verified before entering the production environment. Inside the facility, logistics flow in carefully orchestrated motion.
Precision docking ensures a seamless transfer into controlled zones.
Beyond these doors, strict cleanliness and control take over.
Materials are transferred with care to prevent contamination or damage.
Each batch moves forward into the controlled environment of production.
Here, the journey continues as materials prepare for their first inspection.
This is where precision manufacturing begins, under strict control. Only authorized personnel can enter the controlled production zones. Airlock systems maintain strict environmental separation. Protective equipment ensures both product and personnel remain safe. Sanitization removes any risk before production begins. Inside, precision systems operate in perfect coordination. Now the materials are ready for their first stage of processing. Raw materials are opened and inspected under controlled conditions.
Each batch is carefully sorted to remove unwanted elements.
Mechanical systems refine the materials for uniform quality. Airflow systems remove even the smallest contaminants. Washing ensures all materials meet hygiene standards. Drying prepares the materials for stable processing.
Final checks confirm readiness for transformation.
Now, the process advances into the core production systems.
The refined materials now enter controlled processing systems. Binding agents bring structure and consistency to the blend. Particles are shaped into stable granules for precise dosing. Moist granules move forward for controlled drying.
Airflow evenly dries each particle to exact specifications.
Dried material is released, ready for final refinement. Only uniform particles continue to the next stage. Now, the material advances toward its final transformation. Granules enter the press, where force shapes precise doses.
Each cavity is filled to exact volume before compression.
Measured force binds particles into solid, uniform tablets. Finished tablets are released and guided onward. Capsules are filled and sealed with equal precision. Surfaces are cleaned to meet strict quality standards. Automated checks remove any risk of contamination. Next, finishing processes refine appearance and stability. Automated coating systems enhance stability and appearance. Each surface is treated with uniform precision. Operators oversee every parameter through intelligent systems.
Automation ensures consistent handling without human error.
Capsules are refined to meet exact finishing standards. Smart sensors detect and remove even the smallest defects.
Production lines merge into a single controlled flow.
Now, the final stages prepare products for delivery. Precision forming creates protective cavities for each dose. Each unit is placed with exact timing and alignment. Sealing locks in safety, freshness, and stability.
Capsules are measured and dispensed with exact counts. Capsules are measured and dispensed with exact counts.
Secure sealing protects product integrity during storage.
Clear labeling ensures traceability and compliance.
Packaging units are assembled for safe handling and transport.
Now, every package advances for final verification.
Every unit is visually inspected before approval.
Samples are taken for detailed analysis.
Mechanical strength is verified for every batch.
Capsule integrity ensures safe delivery of contents.
Dissolution rates confirm how the medicine performs in the body.
Data confirms compliance with strict pharmaceutical standards. Only approved products proceed to distribution. From testing to storage, the final stage begins.
Finished cartons are organized into secure pallet loads. Protective wrapping ensures safe handling during transit.
Products are stored in controlled environments before dispatch.
Orders are picked and prepared for delivery.
Shipments are loaded with precision and care.
The final product is ready to reach the world.
And this is how modern factories produce tablets and capsules from start to finish.
From raw materials to precision medicine, every step is engineered for quality.